Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you the location of exterior paint code in 2018 Buick Encore. This is gonna apply to Buick Encore made from 2013 and all the way up to 2026. It will also be the same location for a lot of GM vehicles. To locate this code, you will have to go on the passenger side of the vehicle, open passenger door, open the glove box, and now check this sticker, and right on the bottom of this sticker you will see the code. So in this vehicle the code is U636R. So you're looking on the bottom, numbers and letters. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye!